So this is another project that we took over, and you can see now how the house, we already pretty much took down a lot of it. This is going to be a two-family house. We're converting a single family to a two-family. The permits were already approved with the city for a while. I had to go through zoning and a bunch of other stuff, but then as we took over the project, the zoning permit expired, and that kind of like slowed us down a little bit as to what needed to happen, on the timing that we needed to do. But I'm gonna show you a little bit more inside on how it is, how it looks like right now. See, this is what it is right now. All right, so it's gonna come out more this way to here, pretty much to here, and it's gonna be 2 units, 2 family. Because of the magnitude of the project, the city also asked us to do, we have to add parking to it. So this property will have 4 parking spots. It will have, Hackensack requires you to have a dry well that's to allow storm water to be able to disperse properly into the dirt, and making us put trees all around the perimeter here. We have to put trees. The house next door, the green one, actually they called me to see if I wanted to buy it also. So we're gonna go and try to see if we can get it done as well. We're not converting that one, we're just making that a one family. But yeah, this is another project, 363 Park Street in Hackensack, New Jersey. Gonna give you another shot of the front. This is gonna end up being the front of the house. So this is how it used to look like before when we first bought it. You'll see. You see, there you go right there. And this is how much we bought it for. $350,000 in July. So we're doing this project with some partners. All in, we needed $165,000. That's down payment and closing cost. The down payment is a little higher, it's 25% instead of the usual 10-15, because this is considered a heavy rehab. We're expanding, remember, from a 1 family to a 2 family. And there's a lot more square footage being added, so consider heavy rehab, higher down payment. And we're gonna spend roughly $330,000, $350,000 to do this ground up. As you saw, the demo is not completely done yet. We're gonna pretty much rip it all down to the ground and build a new frame up. Foundation hopefully next week, because the permits just got approved yesterday. So $350,000 purchase price, roughly $350,000, let's say, total build out, construction, etc. After we sell it in the area, I think we're gonna sell this for, knock on wood, over $1 million. So let's say even if it's $1 million, we're looking at netting roughly $250,000, which, you know, we will split that with our partners. That's getting all our money back that we put in for down payment, closing costs, and the carrying cost, and clear roughly $200,000 in profit on this project. Hopefully we sell it for more, we make more money. Ciao.